How much protein on a high raw plant-based diet? These are always interesting videos to do. It seems a lot of people are interested in this topic. So I'm gonna make a video today showing you what I'm eating and how much protein I get. And right now it's gonna be close to 1 o'clock here. So my workout today was a run, ran a few miles. Yesterday I did strength training at the gym. The day before that I ran. The day before that I did strength training at the gym. So I've been going like every other day with my workouts. Usually after like 4 days I'll take a day off, take a rest day. So tomorrow I'll probably have a rest day and then start working out again the next day. And I've been getting delicious pineapple. So yeah, I'm breaking my fast today at 1 p.m. So it'll be about an 18-hour fast this time. I've been throwing in some 20-hour fasts. I've been throwing in some 1 meal a days. I just kind of mix it up, and I'm just ready to eat now at 1 o'clock. So I just follow my body. If my body says to do an 18-hour fast, I'll do an 18-hour fast. If it says I need a little extra time, I'll do it, 20-hour fast. And that's just the way it goes. But these pineapples are super delicious. I recommend searching around wherever you live to find the best fruit you can find. I go to like 5 different stores because like one store I'm finding good pineapple. Another store I might find good watermelon. Another store I might find good blueberries. So I kind of search around to find the best stuff I can, because I gotta have good fruit. So I recommend finding some good fruit wherever you live. Someday I might live somewhere, someday I'm definitely planning to visit places more often that have even more good fruit than where I live now. Where I live now is in the center of Oregon, which is a great place to live. But unfortunately, 6 months of the year it's too cold. And starts warming up now in April. Actually went out and did a run outside and got some sunshine, which was super nice. So starting out with a pineapple, gonna really enjoy this and just kind of munch on that while I get back to work. And I'm gonna be back probably in a couple hours with something else that I'll be eating today. Stay tuned to the end of the video as I will show you the macros, how much protein, carbs, fat, how many calories that I ended up having today.
And real quick, before I continue the video, make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook. You can get it in the description box below the video. And I have some of my favorite recipes I eat regularly, super delicious, and it's going to keep you fit and healthy. Next up, at 3 p.m., I made this smoothie. It had 2 cups of frozen strawberries, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 4 bananas, 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter, and 1 cup of almond milk. Super delicious, nice and filling. Try that one out. Next up, at 5:30, had my salad. This is the beginning of my dinner. Mixed greens, an apple, cucumber, avocado, tomato, and dates. So nice big salad to start off things. Then about 30 minutes after the salad, I had some blueberries and a banana. And then I had some leftover teriyaki veggie tofu stir fry over with rice. And that's how I rounded things out. And then just right after that, I had a little bit of dark chocolate for dessert. So in total for the day, I had 3,000 calories, 550 grams of carbs, 77 grams of fiber, 86 grams of fat, and 67 grams of protein. And I am 6 feet tall and weigh 168 pounds as of this morning. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.